Hi guys, welcome to my channel AI Coding Cats. In today's topic, we are going to see what are the concepts in SQL, means the syllabus of the SQL. What all the topics you need to prepare for SQL to become master. So let us see topics one by one in the syllabus. The first concept is database concepts. In Oracle, we have the first one is database. So you need to understand what is database, and the second one is database management systems. What is DBMS? Then benefits of DBMS. The second topic is concept of relational database management system, which is called as RDBMS. And what is EF code rules, concepts of tables, fields, rows, records are rows and columns in that table. So how a database is created, and in that how we are going to create the tables and populate the data, all these concepts comes in this topic, database concepts. And also normalization also will comes under this one only. The second one is introduction to Oracle, how the Oracle engine works, the concepts of Oracle and history of Oracle, front end portion, back end portion, and what are the softwares we are going to use, like PLSQL developer, SQL developer, and SQL Plus. These are the different type of engines where we can write the code to extract, create, or update or manipulate the data. And we will give the brief explanation about the software application also. The third topic is introduction to SQL. Before, in the second one we have seen about the Oracle engine. Now we will see about the structural query language in the concepts of SQL. For example, we have SQL languages: DDL, DML, TCL, and DCL. DDL means data definition language. In this, the commands are create, alter, drop, and truncate. Data manipulation language is there: insert, update, delete, and select. Means how to create a table, how to alter table, how to drop a table, how to truncate a table, and how to insert the data in the table, and how to update the data in the table, and how to delete the table, and how to set the table, and what is commit, what is rollback, save point. And in the DCL, grant and revoke. This particular last one, like data control language, is more related to administration of the database, DBA. But but in this SQL commands also, I'll cover some of this one. Next one is SQL data types. How many data types we have? Like character will be there, varchar will be there, varchar2. What are the differences between varchar and varchar2? What is the date, number, timestamp, and miscellaneous data types? And also some other data types also we have. We will discuss all these topics in depth in the particular videos. Fourth one is operators in SQL. Arithmetic operators, we have logical operators, comparison operators, concatenation, and assignment. Like how to do the sum, or plus, minus, subtraction, divide, mod, and, or, not. All this comes under operators. Like between, like, is, null, greater than, less than, equal to. All this comes under operators. Fifth one is functions. What are the string functions? What are the numerical functions? What are the date conversion functions, date functions, and miscellaneous functions? Sixth one is clauses. What are the clauses in SQL? Like, for example, group by clause, having clause, where clause. So like this, how to use and at what time and where we need to use this clauses. The seventh topic is constraints. What are the constraints? For example, while creating a table, you need to specify these constraints: not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, check key, like this. Eighth one is subqueries. How to write a query inside a query. This is called subquery. Ninth one is set operators. What are the set operators? Like, what is intersect, union, union all, A minus B, B minus A. All this we will discuss. Next, joins. Equi-join, right outer join, left outer join, subjoin. I can say in complete SQL concepts, the first most important topic is joins. Right? Next, the 11th one is synonyms, simple synonym and public synonym. Next, views. What are the views? Simple view will be there, complex view, read only view, materialized view. And inside this views, while creating, what are the advanced concepts, that also we will discuss. The last one is indexes. What are the concepts of indexes? What are the types in indexes we have, and the performance tuning? I already said joins are the most important topic in SQL. After joins, next most important topic is indexes. Indexes is a very very big topic. We need at least 2 to 3 videos to cover the complete indexes. So I'm going to cover all these concepts. Please follow my channel AI Coding Cats. Thank you very much.